Why do my headlamps automatically turn on?
How do I get my headlamps to turn on automatically?
Your vehicle may be equipped with automatic headlamps, or Autolamp. It's easy to tell. Just look for this icon on your headlamp controls. Your headlamps will automatically turn on when ambient light levels are low, or when natural light decreases. Here are a few simple steps you'll need to know when using them. If you want to use Autolamp, turn the control knob to the Autolamp position. Your headlamps will come on automatically as needed and will stay on for a while even after you switch the ignition off. To adjust the Autolamp time delay, or how long your headlamps stay on after you've turned off your car, use the information display controls. Press the down arrow to find settings, then press OK and the right arrow, and scroll down to Vehicle, or Convenience depending on your vehicle. Next, press the right arrow and scroll to Autolamp Delay. Press the right arrow again, select Off or the time delay you wish, then press OK to set it. And if you want to adjust your interior illumination, meaning how bright your instrument lights are, just press the plus or minus controls next to the Autolamp controls. Keep in mind, if you also have wiper-activated headlamps and your headlamp switch is in the Autolamp position, your headlamps will come on whenever your wipers are turned on.